Hello and welcome back. In today's video, we'll explore how to add customers and vendors in QuickBooks Online. Managing your customers and vendors efficiently is crucial for any business. With QuickBooks Online, you can easily add and organize your contacts, saving you time and ensuring smooth transactions. So let's dive right in. First things first, let's learn how to add a customer. Open your QuickBooks Online account and navigate to the Sales tab, and then click on Customers. Now click on New Customer here. Fill in the required details such as customer name, contact information, and billing address. You can also add additional information such as payment terms, customer specific notes. Once you have entered all the necessary information, click on Save to add the customer to your QuickBooks Online database. It's that simple. Now that you've learned how to add customers, let's move on to adding vendors. Go to the Expenses tab and select Vendors. Similar to adding a customer, click on New Vendor and fill in the required information such as vendor's name, contact details, and remittance address. Once you've entered all the necessary information, click on Save to add the vendor to QuickBooks Online database. Easy as pie. And there you have it. You've successfully added customers and vendors to your QuickBooks account. Now you can easily manage your business contacts, track transactions, and ensure smooth financial operations. We hope you found this video helpful in mastering the art of adding customers and vendors in QuickBooks Online. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more business tips and tricks. As always, thank you for watching.